It stretched on and on with no end in sight. I lost track of time. It felt like an eternity. I was so close to passing out myself. After a while, I felt like my heart couldn't take it anymore. I felt like I had run out of hope. Come on, let's talk just a little longer, okay? You don't have to say anything, just listen. You told me you'd always be by my side. You said we'd always be together. You promised me that, remember? Over and over again. We both promised. That was my only dream. Nothing good ever happened to me until I met you. I thought I had a crappy life. But even someone useless like me finally found something to live for. We never should have met. We should have just kept going down our separate paths. At least, I wouldn't have to go through so much suffering. We never should have met.